copy and paste this right here, a Fulton Lucky Block should spawn. Oh my gosh. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? I hope you're ready. Okay, here we go. Whew. I'm gonna hit enter in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my gosh, wait. Oh!